In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use 3 WhatsApp accounts on a single phone. Whether for work, personal or side projects, managing multiple accounts has never been easier. Let's get started. Before we dive into the installation, let's quickly get over what you'll need: a smartphone, WhatsApp install, and alternative methods. Let's start with Android users using the dual app feature. Open Settings. Go to your phone settings. Look for an option called Dual Apps or App Twin or Clone Apps. This may vary based on your device brand. Tap on WhatsApp and enable the dual feature. This will create a second instance of WhatsApp on your device. Open the newly created WhatsApp icon. Verify your phone number and set up your second account. Now, let's talk about using WhatsApp Business for your third account. Search for WhatsApp business account. Simply install it, open the app, verify your phone number, and complete the setup process. This can be used alongside your personal WhatsApp. And there you have it. You can now use 3 WhatsApp accounts on one phone. Whether you choose dual app settings, third-party apps, or WhatsApp business, managing multiple accounts is easy.